You decide to learn Spanish and everything went so good until someone says la mesa, el coche, las chicas, los libros, and everything just turned into a chaos. So, wait, how many ways can you say the in Spanish? Don't worry, today we're gonna fix that forever. You will never confuse el, la, los, las again. Let's start. In Spanish, we have 4 ways to say the. El, la, los, las. El, la, los, las. Starting with el. El, it is masculine and singular. If you want to use masculine and singular, you will use el. Then we have la. La, it's feminine and singular. Then we have los. It's the masculine and the plural. And we have las. Las is feminine and it's the plural. So el, la, masculine and feminine, singular, and los, las, masculine and feminine, but plural. Easy peasy. Let's continue with el. El, masculine, singular, and as an example, el coche, the car. Just because coche is masculine word, so, and it's singular because it's only one, so we use el. Then we have la. La, feminine, singular, and as an example, la casa, the house, because casa, house, is feminine, so we use la. Then we have los. It's plural, it's masculine, and as an example, los perros, because there is not only one perro, perro is masculine, but there is a lot of them, so it's plural, so we use los perros. And the last one, but not less important, las. Las is feminine, but it's plural, so on this example, we will use las sillas, the chairs, because sillas, silla is chair, it's feminine, but just because we put an S at the end, it's plural, so it's las sillas, the chairs. And yeah, I know, it's something that might sound a bit weird at first if you're an English speaker. So in Spanish, every object, every single one, has a gender. It's weird, but let me explain. It's either masculine or feminine. So remember, masculine, el, and feminine, la. But when it's plural, it's los, the masculine way, and it's las, the feminine way. The examples that we already saw, el coche, masculine, la mesa, feminine. This doesn't mean objects are male or female. It's just a grammar rule, but it's super important because it affects how we use articles, el, la, los, las, and adjectives too. Now, little bit of a trick. Most nouns that end in o are masculine and end in a, it's feminine. For example, cenicero. I'm going to ask you, cenicero, ends with an O, sorry. It's masculine or feminine? It's masculine, because O it's masculine for us. Now, nevera, nevera. Nevera is masculine or feminine? It's feminine, finished with an A. Now, there is when it gets a little tricky. Not all Spanish words follow the end in O is masculine, ends in A is feminine. We have kind of exceptions. For example, flor. Flor, it's flower, ends in er. and it's female, la flor. Or mano, hand, ends in o, and it's female too, it's la mano, no lo mano. And then we have dia, ends in a, but it's masculine, el día. So yeah, we don't have too many, but we have exceptions, like in English. That's why you need to keep an eye on my channel to learn new vocabulary. That's why learn vocabulary is very, very important for you, because it will help to see this coming. And well, guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the videos. If you want more content, make sure to be subscribed and like for more. And as always, have a lovely day. Big kiss from Spain. Hasta luego.